Kapatid ko yan.
So medyo mahihain kasi ako, so please bear with me. So right now I'm going to discuss about buildings and stuff. So ano lang to, parang pet project na lang siya. And then, ayun. So can I see a show of hands? Sino mga nagsa-stock market? So ayun. So ayun. So this platform is for stock market. Paano ba yun? So yun. Si po am I? So I'm Julian, Ponce, si Kuya. So I'm a Rails developer, so I've been developing Ruby applications for like 3 years now. And then I'm working remotely for 90 seconds, if you've heard of that company. And then I'm a stock trader and investor, so I'm part of betting on harmonics stock group.
Sports the
So initially I'm investing in the stock market, diba? So I have an idea. I want to build something cool. So I want to build something na for nagagamitin ng iba't ibang traders and investors. So it's more on a social experience. And then I wanted to provide real-time charting and price quotations. So this is very hard to get as of the moment because it's so expensive here in the Philippines, but I can get that for free. And then news curation service, I'm going to discuss this later. What else? So if you want to build like apps using this one, I'll be providing like public APIs with real-time data. Next. Oops. So initially I wanted it to look something cool. So this is the problem that we have, diba? When we're trying to build something like a product or a platform. But I don't know, I'm not good at design. So I'm not good at like visualizing stuff, creating CSS. So this is my last resort. So I bought a team and then and then so this is the current features of the app. So articles. So it provides like the news for certain stocks. So for example, PLDT, Globe, SSI or whatever. And then stocks watch list, real-time quotations, charting, and public APIs. So I'm going to have a demo later on how this one works. So and then these are the work in progress features. So So this is what's under the hood. So this is my gem file. As you can see, I have like a lot of data, a lot of gems. So I use Capistrano, I use Squeal, Hamel, Backbone. This is the backend stack. I use Ruby, Rails, and then PostgreSQL, and then API-driven service object-based architecture. So front end, who here uses like front end frameworks? Thank you.
Yun.
So it's Backbone.js here, and then Fave WebSockets for real-time communication and Materialize. So first, let's discuss articles. So news curation is very big these days. So if you want to get like news for certain websites or manga or whatever. So I use Google's custom search API, but the problem here is Google only provides like 100 API requests per day. So I created some hack on that one. So this is what it looks like. So you have like the stock code and then the news. This is the interface of the custom search API. So as you can see, I placed several websites here, which I'm going to query every day, so we will get like the latest news. All right. Let me show you some. Or mamaya na lang. Okay, so this is the charting. This is a very beautiful charting library. So I partnered with TradingView on this one, so they provide like JavaScript library on this kind of charting. So this is the private repository. So if you want to have this particular library, you may want to contact TradingView later na natin. So this is basically the watch list. So it's a real-time watch list. If like for example, called financial is blocked on the office, you can use this. And then it changes every second, so via WebSockets. Kahapon lang to. So as you can see, it changes the price real time. So as you can, parang pag lumabas yung stock code sa ticker, it changes the stock. So yes. So I also created the Slack integration because in VOH we use Slack for communication. I created a spot bot. It's called spot bot because if you wanted to identify the price of the stock without logging into your like financial account or fill stocks or whichever broker, it will show up here. So okay, I wanted to show you a video because right now we have a publicly available API for stocks, right? It's called Physics, if you've heard of that one. But I think mine's better. So this is the video. Oh shit. So that's the ticker on top. So as you can see, JG Summit price is like 65.45, right? Pause. Then pause. So on the left hand side, this is my API, and then on the right hand, that's Physics API. So as you cannot see, so my API provides like real-time data compared to the Physics API. Next. So this is what it looks like. So for deployment, I use DigitalOcean. So have you guys heard of DigitalOcean? You guys missed that one? Yeah, but I think engineer is better.
Baka makalibre.
So I use DigitalOcean for deployment. So right now I have 3 instances, one for production, and one for staging, and the other one for slave. So I'm connecting these two via Nginx load balancer. So for production, this is the super tiny instance because I only need you guys to subscribe. So I will email you later if it's launching. And then staging is live. So if you wanted to like beta test or whatever, but it's not yet complete. And then so basically this is the staging instance, and then this is the slave. So yeah. So this is the components of the infrastructure. So both of them have Rails 4, and then both of them have delay jobs. So I know this is not a very good background worker. I mean, it's okay, but I wanted to deploy something ASAP, so I used delay job instead of using Sidekick or something. And then I have PostgreSQL, then Nginx, which uses a load balancer, which serves as a load balancer between the staging and slave. And then Face Server is also running on the staging instance. So I have a Node.js server, if you're wondering. So that's my secret sauce. So so this is how I get the real-time data via this particular Node.js server. So if you're wondering. So that's it. That's the glimpse of it. So if you guys have any questions.
Bakit may, unang-una, ikaw lang yung gumawa ng lahat ng
Oh, yes.
whole stuff?
Pero yung
Meron katagal niya? project? Parang sobrang
Kasi ano ako parang part-time ko lang siya ginagawa. So, say 1 month na siguro or 1.5 months. Kasi I have a day job, several freelance projects.
Tapos, bakit pa kailangan ng Node.js kung may fake ka? Para, di ba yung fake, para nagpo-push siya ng notification, di ba?
So, meron kasi akong magic dito sa Node.js na to, na kaya ko mag-pull ng data. So, bakit Node.js?
Actually, more of bakit ka pa mag-fake kung mag-node ka? Kasi, diba?
So, okay. So, yung Node.js, yun nga siya, yung gamit ko siya for backend communication. And then, yung face servers, yung nagtatransmit nung sa WebSocket.
So, pinaka-serialize mo yung Node.js?
Hindi, actually, kinukuha lang siyang data yung Node.js. Tapos, nagpa-fire ako ng post request dun sa Rails server ko. And then, yun na. Bali nasa Rails server pa rin talaga lahat. So may magic lang ako dito sa Node.js server. Kaya ako siya ginamit. Actually, pwede ko siyang tanggalin kasi wala lang akong real-time data.
Di ba, yung node sa akin na lang yung gamitin? Para mag-push din ng, parang di mag-push ng data to the clients.
Hindi kasi ako ganun talaga ka-familiar sa Node.js.
Okay.
Pero, actually, wala talaga akong Node.js before. And then, in-integrate ko lang siya para may meetup i-run. So, pwede ko siyang tanggalin. I don't know kung paano nag-work yung WebSockets via Node.js. So, I'm using Faye, tapos siya yung nakakonect sa Rails server.
Code?
So, saan yung source?
Sige.
Hindi, yung ano pala, saan yung source ng real-time data mo? Secret ba yun?
Wala. Magic pa yun.
Magic?
Wala yung madulas ka.
Ito, magpapakita lang ako ng konting code. Okay, so first yung article code. So meron akong nira-run na parang cron jobs para mag-generate ng articles ko. So stop. So yan. So, have you guys used like Google API before? Saan siya naka-mention pa? Anyone use Google custom search API? Or whichever API? So yun, I have a stock model here, and then I just generate this one. I go to this code, and then I run this via the delay job. Generate the articles. And then, so yun. So per stock, meron ako certain keywords na sinesearch dun sa mga like websites like Rappler, what else? ABS-CBN News, GMA News. So there's the CX search engine for Google. So, ayun, nice naman. So may questions okay dito sa code na. So actually dito lang siya pumupunta. This one, get articles, yun yung nagpo-call nun. And then ito yung magpo-fire ng Google API. So papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko binaypas yung 100 limit ng Google. Pero hindi ko alam kung huwag nyo na lang i-share.
Multiple account.
Hindi. Multiple projects. So I'm using multiple Google projects so for each news curator, for each news company, I use a separate Google API. So medyo, hindi ko alam kung legal siya or something. So pasensya na, Google. So, kasi 100 lang per day yung limit niya. So,
technically, aabot din sa limit.
oo, aabot din siya. Pero pwede, may paraan pa rin naman. Yes, proxy.
Pero same account lang gamit mo, di ba?
Oo. Kasi di ba per account, pwede kang gumawa ng multiple projects.
Ayaw nga.
So per project, yun yung 100 limit. Sa'yo.
Legal naman siguro.
Pwede naman. Saan?
I mean, pinagantang gawin eh.
So, ayun. What else? So, ayun. Tapos yung data ko na kinukuha, galing siya sa PSE. So, ko provide yung PSE ng PDF file every day. Like 5 PM siguro meron ng release. So, pinaparse ko yung PDF. Tapos yun yung data na kinukuha ko. Pero iba pa yung real-time data. Real-time data. Ayun. Ayun, no? Intraday data. Oo, meron. Papakita ko sa inyo yung spotbot or yung ginagamit ng BOH para dun sa like intraday communication. So meron akong intraday data. So dito siya nasa-save. So yun, price, quantity. Pero dine-delete ko na lang siya every end of day kasi medyo maraming records na na-generate, like 200,000 trades siguro.
Okay lang
Per
yun,
day.
kaya yun.
Tapos ito yung spotbot para makita nyo yung... So ayan siya. Asan ba yun? So yun, pag nag-search ka ng SSI something, ilalabas niya yung real-time data ng SSI. Actually, may video. Ayan, sige, yun na lang. So yun, medyo... Ayun. So kung interested kayo dun sa real-time data ko.
So, dinidelete, paano yung historical na ano? So, yung trader, ano yung nagsistore ng historical
Hindi,
para
sa server ko din. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung, yung trading view na library.
Oh.
So, mayroong trading view na library. Ito yung private. Diba? Saan ba yung internet?
Yung ano mo, yung DNS mo napalitan mo na. Kailangan yata yun lang. Saan yun?
Ako ayaw.
Oh no!
So,
Galing.
so bale, ang ganda sana kung meron eh. Kaya lang.
Points. Paano yung internet?
Nice na po.
Ayun no.
Wait lang po. Boss, internet ka, boss.
Extend pa.
Hindi na to. Basta direct.
Paano ba to? Ano palalakihin to?
Yung scale.
Scale?
Yung resolution ba?
Oo. Yun. Nangyari na.
Although lumiit na para sa iba.
Ayan, so... Saan ba yun? So di ba ang ganda ng UI?
Dapat lang, binili mo eh.
Ba't ganun? Ba't bumagsak? Pero dapat nandito yun sa gilid, so... So okay, ito yung ito yung trading view library. So ina-apply siya. Gusto mo ipag-partner sa kanila. Pero yung data stored dun sa server ko, dun sa Postgres backend ko. So paano siya kumukuha ng data? So bibigay lang siya sa'yo na parang timestamp from this one to this na Unix timestamp. Tapos yun yung pang-query ko sa backend. So, dito siya napupunta, so data feed controller. So yun, so search action, yun yung parang ito, pwede ka mag-search dito. And then config, wala yan. Then ito yung pinaka-importante is yung hindi nyo pala nakikita, no? So ito yung pinaka-importante, yung history na action. So medyo pangit yung pagkakabuo ko nito. So basta yung ipo-provide niya is ito na lang. So yun. So meron bali siyang array of records. So ganda, di ba? So ito yung timestamp, parang magre-request siya sa akin ng timestamp na hey, pahingi ako ng data, let's say from last month to this month. Pero puro Unix timestamp yun. From Unix to Unix. And then magpo-provide ako ng, depende kung like daily or monthly or weekly basis. So right now, yung chart ko hindi pa nagpo-provide ng intraday charting. Pero meron ako ng intraday data. So, kasi for example, this particular candle consists lang naman yan ng parang close, open, high,
low.
And then yung volume, gano'ng karami yung nag-trade on that day. So ayun, question mo ba kaya? So medyo, hindi pa siya tapos talaga. Marami pa akong ginagawa, so hindi ko pa rin siya matapos.
I think yun na lang, intraday yung magiging next big feature kasi mahirap talagang manghula pag hindi mo nakikita yung movement. At least kung nang susugal ka.
Pag sa
Hindi, day trading sugal talaga yun. So,
actually ako day trading ako yun. Day trader. So pero yung daily candlesticks ko naman, nag-iiba na siya. For example, naka-daily mode ka. Nag-iiba na yung, nagpa-fluctuate na talaga yung chart niya based on.
kaya siya ma-convert to from 1 day, months,
Weekly.
3, mga ganun.
So yung trading view library na yung nagpa-provide.
Okay.
Pwede natin siyang ibahin. Like for example, weekly, monthly. Ito. So
Okay.
weekly chart. Ito na yan.
Bagsak talaga PLDT.
Medyo nakakalungkot. May internet na ba?
Babagsak na yun. Hindi, na-cancel na yung Terrestre eh. Wala na yung hype.
Tatry. Ayaw.
Ayaw daw.
Pero okay lang. Tapos na. So yun. So napaka-powerful nitong library na to. So if you're interested sa stock market, you might want to check this particular library. If i-feed mo lang sa kanya yung mga ganitong data, for example yung time, yung close, yung open, high, low, volume.
Pati yung yung indicators, meron siya.
Meron siya. Siya na rin yung bahala sa mga indicators.
Okay.
Hindi ba possible yan sa D3?
Meron sa D3 na library na pang ganyan rin. Pero ikaw mano-mano gagawa nung
So yun
at least
talagang
yung indicators.
Ito, parang kumukonect lang siya doon sa backend sa API ko. Tapos, provide ko na lang siya nitong particular data na to. Actually, marami dapat yan eh. Pero isa lang yung hinihingi niya. Pero marami yan. Example.
Pero yun yung simple lang, candlestick lang or lang, volume kailangan mo. Maraming kaya. Pero pag kunwari gusto mo talagang ganyan ka-complicated, hindi kakayanin ng
Tapos meron na rin siya
vanilla
dito.
dito.
Meron na siya pinaprovide ng indicators. Like for example, yung mga oscillators like RSI, stochastic. Lahat ng mga trading related na indicators. Napaprovide nila. So, demo? Wala eh.
Wala?
Okay na ba?
Hindi pa yata makakonek eh.
Ito na lang. So ayun, mamaya kung interested kayo, papakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. Pero okay. May questions ba?
Library kayo, no?
Trading view. So parang lang yung partnership eh. So kailangan mo lang i-contact for example. Tapos mag-reply sila within like 2 business days.
Magkano usually?
Wala, it's for free pa.
Saan sila? Base?
Ano na?
Local base?
Kasi hindi ko alam, sa US yata or sa Canada. Pero ang kailangan ko lang naman sa kanila yung charting eh. So, alam ko yung data. Meron din sila pinaprovide na data for like Dow Jones, or US market.
Okay na.
Madami na yung tao.
Do you guys have any questions?
Meeting mo na.
Welcome guys. So welcome sa
Ano yung mga Ponce ba?
Sir, question.
Ako kasi hindi ako familiar sa mga ganyan mga stocks. So ano yung website na yun? What you want to say like?
It's like a social experience platform. So you can post like comments, whatever. It's like Facebook for stock market. Actually, meron na lang pinaprovide nito.
Puro shit post eh.
Meron lang nagpo-provide ng similar service. But, you know, sa tech naman, so there's someone providing it. So my main objective here is parang gusto ko lang kumuha ng something cool para sa stock.
Kung newbie ka, magagamit mo ba yun?
Kung alin.
Kung newbie sa stock market.
Because in the stock market, there's like two different type of trader. Like so, one would be like the more on technical analysis, and then the other one would probably more on fundamental analysis.
Right.
So technical analysis, ito sobrang useful na to. And sa fundamental analysis, medyo useful din naman siya because meron akong news creator.
So yeah, basically yun nga, yung fundamental, yun yung alam nyo parang gusto mag-invest. Alam nyo itong company na to is okay, parang okay yung business niya, I'm going to invest in this. Maganda yung site kasi may kita mo yung news. Yung opposite, hindi man opposite, parang alternative is technical data. Parang titignan mo lang yung movement ng stock, yung price ng stock. And may kita mo parang yung chance niya na mag-increase or decrease at a certain moment. So that's where charting comes in.
Yeah, so usually fundamental, it's more on a long term.
So kahit newbie, well, actually newbies start with yung ganong dalawang approaches.
So for more on technical analysis, so I think you can use this one since I provide like the VWAP, the volume analysis intraday, all those kind of things. So I'll be releasing the intraday charting in like the next couple of weeks. So if you're interested with that one.
Check muna na internet, baka dyan na.
Kasi ba,
Last try. Last try.
Pag nilaunch mo na, balak mo free pa.
Oh, free lang yan.
Wala. Oh well.
So I will not integrate any like ads on this one since medyo mura naman ang server. So ayun, you guys have any questions? Welcome guys. So if you're interested, I can show you like the staging website later. Gamitin ko na lang yung no questions. Guys, may questions? Wala. Okay na.
Alright.
Alright, thank you.